So, in a twist of the plot, you know, I like these a lot, you know, these twists. It's quite exciting. At least it's not boring. In a twist of the plot, the video I recorded yesterday about the message, the solace message of hope. Well, I did it trespassing on somebody else's land. So, man's hand has sent me away. I've been asked to leave because I did not receive permission to record on the land. So I was told to go. I said, okay, off I go. God will lead me wherever I go. And I was also warned this morning. I was told that this could happen early this morning. So it wasn't a surprise. And I don't beg anymore. I don't belittle myself anymore. I am who I am. And anybody who knows, well, 9:33 is what God showed me. It doesn't matter what book you look in. The two big books means the same thing. 9:33. Well, apparently, as the jester who talks the king's truth, that means me. And every now and then I have to stop because my shoelaces get undone. So here we are. We're off to see the wizard, to see what God gives us and brings us. The next stop is Budapest. And yeah, if you're curious just like me, I suggest you like, follow and subscribe. And you never know what it's got to do with. Might have to do with a lot of things and a lot of nothing. But my mistake was listening to God. Because my intuition told me, and if you listen to your intuition, then you're listening to the universe. It told me to go to that beautiful lake and record the film, The Message of Solace, of Hope. And man said that was a mistake. So, off we go. Bonnie and I on a mission to spread the truth. Some people think I'm crazy. But you know what? If I have to walk all the way, I'll walk all the way. Because nobody can call me crazy. Lazy. Call me crazy all you like. But you can't call me lazy. Because I proved at my last stop I wasn't.